The other day I received a comment that Cash App might be removing the borrow feature, so I decided to do some investigating. Here we are on Cash App. I'm going to go to my profile in the top right, scroll all the way down to support. Then from here we can search for the borrow feature. As you can see, the comment was correct and nothing comes up when you search borrow. So maybe they're changing the borrow feature, maybe they're adjusting the help section for it. Something could be going on, but it doesn't seem to be going away. I decided to ask the Cash App chat support, which is usually very helpful for your questions. So today, this morning, I asked, is Cash App removing the borrow feature? They didn't mention anything about removing it or changing it. It's currently only available to a small portion of people, and it looks like they're continuing to expand that, but they don't really have a time frame yet. So there you have it. Cash App borrow feature is still a thing. It's just kind of hard to get the feature at this point. They've probably been testing it a lot and still have some concerns with the ways that people are using it. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.